The former Kampala Central Police Station commander Aaron Baguma Silingi, who is on murder trial, has been released on bail by the High Court in Kampala this morning. Baguma had been on remand at Chigo prison for 10 days in connection with the murder of businesswoman Beth Katshabe at Pine Cap Bond in Kampala in October 2015. He is jointly charged with 8 others who are still on remand in Luzira prison. Justice Wilson Musalomo Senate dismissed the prosecution's objections to bail that Baguma was an elusive person who was likely to escape or interfere with evidence if he was released pending trial.
The state submitted that given the high rank of the applicant in the police force, that he is likely to interfere with witnesses. However, the same counsel for the state later stated that inquiries are completed and that the accused applicant has already been committed for trial. That therefore pours cold water on the allegation of interfering with witnesses. Then the counsel for the state also doubted the conduct of the accused applicant before he surrendered himself to court on 30th August 2016. However, there was no proof on record by way of affidavit of service to confirm that the accused applicant had been served with the criminal summons personally as required under the law and that he refused to comply.
The judge said Baguma presented 3 substantive sureties who included the National Traffic Boss Stephen Kansima among other senior public servants that impressed him, hence wasting no further time but to grant the applicant bail.
This court has considered the unique circumstances of the present applicant, notably being a senior police officer charged with the responsibilities, among others, of maintaining law and order in society. The sureties presented impressed this court as responsible persons who will no doubt ensure applicants return to stand trial. Even the Land Council for the state did not object to the status and standing of the said sureties. In the premises, I do hereby grant bail to the applicant.
Upon receiving bail, Baguma was asked to deposit a cash bail of 5 million Ugandan shillings, and his 3 substantive sureties were each bonded at 50 million shillings non-cash, with the applicant advised to report to the Deputy Registrar once every month until his trial begins on the 7th October. Baguma's relatives and friends burst into cheering soon after the bail ruling.
Mwana gwange era n'okuvaayo kujja wano kyo kizibu nnyo kibadde kizibu nze okubeera wano kiyinza okuba nga sente si kizibu naye ate n'okubeera wano kibadde kizibu sikyetaaga buli muntu mumanye gundi yeyeregerako naye nange okubeera wano kibadde si kyangu gwe bameka abali wano gwogenze wano kisente si ekibadde ekizibu n'okubeera wano ekyo kibadde kizibu nnyo.
He was taken to the court's holding cells pending payment of the 5 million bail sum in the bank, which was cleared a few minutes later and was released officially. Brian Senkumba, Channel 44 Television, High Court in Kampala.